Sawadee Krab, welcome to MENGHEADER channel. This is the first time we make in English version because we want to let you know guys that we have a new product for Honda Civic FL5, and today I'm so excited to present you our new product. This is original downpipe and this is MHD Dowpipe. This is a 3.5 inches with the big radiance with a manual bending. We designed to maximize the exhaust flow. Compared to the original one, you can see that it's possible to be a huge back pressure to the engine, but this one we tend to design to be slower. This is all whole stainless steel, the CNC flange on both sides, and we're welding with a punch welding, and we finish it with hairline. And also the front pipe, because the original is 2.5 inches, so we increase it to 3 to make sure that the exhaust flow is going to be as much as possible here. And you can fit with the original pipe. If you change just the downpipe, you can change just only the downpipe because all the two flanges can fit with the original one, and also the front pipe. If you use the original downpipe, you also can change this with the front pipe because everything we make like the OEM one. And we have recorded the exhaust sound before we change this too. Okay, please have take a look. So after this, we're gonna put these two into the car and let's check this out. As you can hear, the sound is much powerful. We're probably sure that it's gonna increase the horsepower anyway because you can see the original downpipe. There's a huge catalytic converter here, and this is a catalyst. You can see obviously it's gonna make a huge exhaust flow here. So if you're interested in this product, we're manufactured for the OEM brand worldwide for more than 30 years, and I think this is the first time we're gonna sell it with our brand MHD, which is MENGHEADER. We experienced the exhaust. This is 49 years already, and the manufacturer we make for 30 years. We are OEM brand for many brands in Japan, in Australia, and in the States. If you're interested in the downpipe and the front pipe, please subscribe and send us the inbox and message where you see this, maybe on YouTube or Facebook or whatever. Just message us, and we are going to ship this worldwide with the downpipe of a new FL5 Honda Civic Type R. Okay, so today, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.